Today we're at the Ontario Beef Research Centre. The Ontario Beef Research Centre researches the needs for beef producers here in Ontario. So for the young chefs, I hope they learn a little bit about the next level of beef production and see some new innovations and some new technologies that we have. I hope they learn a little bit about maybe dispelling some myths that they might have about beef production. And I hope it gives them some more confidence in how great a product Canadian beef is. We do research here on beef cattle ranging from nutrition, so what we feed cattle, to health and welfare, making sure that cattle are healthy and looked after well, from genetics, and we do everything from farm to fork. So we, of course, here are on the farm looking at managing the cattle, but we also have a lot of researchers in food science and in meat science that are looking at improving meat quality as well. As part of the National Traceability Program, all animals in Canada have to have a radio frequency tag, and so our cows all have them as well, and the system uses that radio frequency tag to know who's accessing the bunks. We have a world-class production system here in Canada. We have great grasslands that are meant to be grazed by ruminants, and hopefully some of these chefs can see some of that a little bit from what we do here and be able to take that message into their restaurants and into the consumers' hands as well.
It's always great to work with Canada Beef and come out and see the culinary students and get them a farm experience, a really hands-on experience that they can learn from.